Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best molecule replacement filter is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining the pristine air quality that your molecule air purifier is designed to deliver, ensuring that every breath you take is as clean and fresh as possible, and it's essential to understand the nuances of choosing the right filter to maximize the effectiveness and longevity of your investment in a healthier home environment. Number 5. Molekule Air PECO-Filter Replacement. Ensure your air purifier is working at its best with this authentic replacement filter. It's designed for high efficiency and multi-layer purification. This filter provides targeted protection by destroying dust particles and black mold. Experience high particle kill rates for a cleaner home. It effectively destroys indoor air pollution, including viruses, bacteria, and allergy triggers. Our germicidal nanotechnology ensures advanced air purification. Enjoy 6 months of continuous healthy indoor air with this filter. It ensures optimal odor removal and maintains your air quality. As part of your routine maintenance, this filter offers multi-layer purification. It destroys harmful organic substances with its high airflow design. We are committed to revolutionizing clean air through innovation and scientific research. Trust us to provide a better future with cleaner air. What we like. This filter offers targeted protection by destroying pollutants at a molecular level. If you're looking for advanced air purification that tackles viruses and allergens, this is a great choice. Its long 6-month replacement cycle also means less frequent maintenance. What people say. The Molekule Air Purifier has a unique filter design that captures pollutants. The PECO-Filter technology effectively breaks down VOCs and other harmful particles. It's quiet and doesn't disrupt the living space. Number 4. Filter Monster Carbon Replacement for Molekule Air Purifier. Introducing the Filter Monster Carbon Replacement, designed to work seamlessly with your Molekule Air Purifier. Keep your air fresh and clean with this essential accessory. Our advanced coconut carbon filter effectively captures VOCs and common household odors. Say goodbye to smells from cooking, cleaning, smoking, and pets. For the best results, we recommend replacing the filter every 3 months. Adjust frequency based on your specific air quality and environment for continuous purification. This package provides you with 2 replacement pre-filters, ensuring you have a fresh filter ready when you need it. Enjoy extended use and consistent air quality. Engineered for a perfect fit, these filters are compatible with your Molekule Air Purifier. Experience the difference a quality replacement can make. Trust Filter Monster for high-quality replacement parts. We are committed to providing effective solutions for your home air purification needs. What we like. This option focuses on odor and VOC removal with its coconut carbon filter. If you're dealing with strong household odors from cooking, pets, or smoking, this filter is designed to tackle them effectively. It also comes in a convenient 2-pack for ongoing use. What people say. The Molekule Air Purifier is a game-changer for my allergies. It has significantly reduced the dust and allergens in my home, and I can breathe easier. I love the sleek and modern design of the Molekule Air Purifier. It looks great in my living room and blends in with my decor. The Molekule Air Purifier is very quiet and efficient. It runs silently in the background, and I barely notice it's on. It has made a noticeable difference in the air quality of my home. Number 3. Molekule Mini Plus Air Filter. Introducing the Molekule Mini Plus Air Filter, designed to provide you with cleaner air. It features our advanced PECO-HEPA tri-power technology for effective pollutant capture and destruction, including smoke. Our filter is enhanced with nanoparticles that accelerate chemical reactions. This means you can enjoy purified air much faster, improving your breathing environment. This replacement filter effectively traps and destroys 99.97% of airborne particles. Experience a significantly reduced rate of pollutants in your home. Enjoy up to 6 months of continuous air purification with a single filter. It provides multi-layer protection for your home's air quality. Utilizing UVA light and our unique nanocatalytic filter, contaminants are eliminated at a molecular level. Breathe easy knowing it's actively working to purify your air. We are dedicated to revolutionizing clean air through continuous innovation and scientific research. Our goal is to create a better future with cleaner air for everyone. What we like. This filter utilizes a unique light-activated nanocatalytic technology to destroy pollutants. If you prioritize capturing a very high percentage of particles and appreciate innovative purification methods, this is a strong contender. It's ideal for those seeking quick and efficient air purification. What people say. The Molekule filter is designed to capture pollutants and allergens from the air. It features a unique PECO technology that breaks down VOCs and other harmful particles. The filter is easy to replace and ensures the continued optimal performance of the Molekule Air Purifier. Number 2. PUREBURG Replacement Filter Set for Molekule Air Purifier. Introducing the PUREBURG Replacement Filter Set, designed to keep your Molekule Air Purifier running at its best. This pack includes everything you need for a fresh and clean environment. Our set features a high-quality H13 true HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of fine particles down to 0.3 microns. It works alongside activated carbon pre-filters to tackle odors and VOCs. This advanced filtration system effectively removes dust, common pollutants, and even tobacco smoke. Breathe easier knowing that fine particles are being captured. Replacing your old filters is a breeze. Our design ensures a quick and tool-free installation, so you can enjoy cleaner air in minutes. Just remember to remove the new filter from its plastic bag first. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing your filters regularly. A simple monthly cleaning with a soft brush or vacuum can also help maintain freshness. We are committed to your satisfaction with our top-notch quality filters. Experience the difference a clean filter can make in your home. What we like. This set provides a comprehensive 2-in-1 solution with both H13 true HEPA and activated carbon pre-filters. If you need to capture fine particles like PM2.5 and also address common household odors, this 3-piece pack offers excellent value. It's suitable for general air quality improvement. What people say. The Molekule filter is designed to capture pollutants and allergens from the air. It features a unique PECO technology that breaks down VOCs and other harmful particles. The filter is easy to replace and ensures the continued effectiveness of the air purifier. Number 1. Molekule Air Large Room Air Purifier Replacement Filters. This set includes 1 PECO filter and 2 pre-filters, specifically designed for your Molekule Air Large Room Air Purifier. Keep your device running efficiently with these essential replacements. Our multi-layer filters offer high-efficiency filtration. The PECO filter works with a high airflow system to capture particles, while the pre-filter uses activated carbon to adsorb larger contaminants. The pre-filter is enhanced with activated carbon, boasting a high carbon content. This maximizes its ability to capture dust, dander, and other airborne particles. These filters are exclusively compatible with the Molekule Air Large Room Air Purifier. Ensure optimal performance by using the correct replacement parts for your specific model. Get a valuable package with 1 PECO filter and 2 pre-filters at a great price. Regular replacement ensures your air purifier remains clean and effective. For best results, replace the pre-filter every 3 to 6 months and the PECO filter every 6 to 12 months. Maintaining this schedule keeps your machine performing at its best. We are here to help. If you have any questions about your filters, please contact us. Our team is committed to providing you with satisfactory service. What we like. This package offers a valuable combination of a PECO filter and 2 pre-filters, including one with a high 50% activated carbon content. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to maintain your large room air purifier with both particle and odor control, this set is a great option. It's designed for users who want a balanced approach to air purification. What people say. The Molekule filter is designed to capture and destroy pollutants, including VOCs, allergens, and bacteria, using a unique PECO technology. The replacement filter is easy to install and typically lasts for 6 months, depending on usage and air quality. The Molekule system is effective in reducing airborne particles and improving indoor air quality, as evidenced by independent lab tests. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.